In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp Lists so you can organize your work more clearly and keep track of what needs to get done. We'll go through how to create tasks on a list, how to switch between different views, and how to mark tasks as complete. By the end, you'll be comfortable using lists as the core of your workflow in ClickUp. Let's start with the basics. A list in ClickUp is simply a collection of related tasks. You might have a list for a project, a client, or even just a personal to-do list. Once you've opened the list you want to work in, you're ready to start adding tasks. To create a task on your list, look for the option to add a new task directly within the list view. Depending on your setup, you'll usually see something like an Add Task button or an empty row at the bottom that lets you type in a new task name. Click there, type a clear and descriptive title for your task, and then press Enter or click to confirm. The new task appears right away in your list. After creating the task, you can usually click into it to add more details. This is where you can set a due date, assign it to a person, add a description, or include subtasks and attachments. While these extra details are optional, they make your list much more powerful and easier to manage, especially when you're working with a team or juggling many responsibilities. Now, once you've got some tasks on your list, you might want to see them in different formats. That's where views come in. ClickUp allows you to switch the way your list is displayed so you can look at the same tasks from different angles. For example, you might want a simple list view for quick scanning, a board view to drag tasks between stages, or a calendar view to see what's coming up. To change the view, look for the plus view option, often shown as a plus view button near the top of your screen. Click on this and you'll see a selection of available views. Pick the one that makes the most sense for how you like to work. Once you select it, ClickUp will create that view for your current list. You can switch between views at any time and your tasks stay the same. You're just changing how they're displayed. And this flexibility helps you stay organized, whether you're planning at a high level or focusing on daily tasks. Finally, as you work through your list, you'll want to mark tasks as complete. Each task has a status indicator, usually shown as a small circle to the left of the task name. When a task is still in progress, this circle will typically be empty or show the current status. Once you've finished the task, simply click on that circle. It will change to indicate that the task is done. Marking tasks as done is more than just satisfying, it also keeps your list accurate and up to date. It's a clear visual signal of what's completed and what still needs attention. Over time, this makes it much easier to review your progress and plan your next steps. So to recap, you've seen how to create tasks on your ClickUp list by adding them directly in the list view, how to change the view by clicking the plus view button and choosing a layout that works for you, and how to click on the task circle to indicate when it's done. With these simple actions, you can start using ClickUp lists to manage your work more effectively.